It's your boy Talking Drum, you know how it is. Freestyle ambassador. I'm just chilling up here in Africa, doing what I do. And I say, there is no other like the one that you know. The fact is that when you let your spirit glow, it's amazing things that you would know. Now I'm saying some chase for the dough, some for the hoe, but the fact is, you should know what you're about. Straight from the south, clear your doubts, still drink my same small stout. Tell 'em. Erimeyo Mar from Africa, fresh fly Ajebota, adopted by the streets. So right now y'all feel my beats around the sheets. And when we do it well, you know we keep it sweet. Get out of my face because you know I know you do the thing I no one do. I do one right now because I just respect you. So right now if you whether you want go or you want to stay with your boy, it's the Talking Drum. Y'all know, blessed. Stay blessed. We chilling. We alright. We alright.